BMW launched its very first convertible M3 30 years ago in 1988. And you know what that means, it's special edition time. To celebrate the occasion, BMW is building just 300-2018 M4 Convertible Edition 30 Jahre cars. Like many anniversary edition cars, the special M4s come with all the goodies, including the competition package that bumps the engine up to 444 horsepower and adds upgraded suspension. The cars also come with some special trimmings, first among which is a choice between two unique colors. Buyers will be able to select either the vibrant Mandarin 2, a color BMW says harks back to Dakar yellow found on second-generation M3 convertibles, or the more subtle Macau blue. The blue color is one BMW has used previously on the M3 Edition 30 Jahre, and is a tribute an original M3 special order color. The special colors are matched with black trim accents. The exterior color can be reflected on the inside with blue or yellow contrasting leather and stitching, as well as the piping and the floor mats. The blue M4s can also be had with silver contrasting leather and stitching, if having blue inside is just a little too much. Carbon fiber trim is standard for both colors.